In this video, I shall first explain how you must assemble the Storgard quick change dome trap. You first open the dome trap by squeezing its top. After that, remove the load tray from inside the trap. You then refix the trap top and bottom by clicking the tabs into place. Peel and remove the foil cover from the top of the lure tray and snap the lure tray onto the bottom of the trap. Your quick change dome trap is now ready for use. Let me also share how to use the quick change dome trap at your warehouse or other spaces. Trap placement. Place the trap in a grid with a gap of 15 to 20 meters between cigarette beetle and Khapra and warehouse beetle traps, and 10 meters between confused flower beetles and red flower beetle traps. Identification. Mark the lure type and trap number on the trap and maintain a trap location map. Placement. Place the trap on the floor, ledges, baled products or pallets for easy access and insect counts. Lure tray replacement. Replace the QC lure trays once every 2 months. Periodic inspection. Check the QC dome traps once weekly. The most important one, of course, is ensuring the trap's ability to trap. Always leave the trap top and bottom connected to attract and trap insects. Counting and corrective action. This is the last but the most important one, which is you need to maintain a record of the trap catches and plan appropriate action in response to the counts. I hope our video has helped you understand how to assemble and use the Storgard quick change dome trap. Our website's Storgard web page has all the details of the quick change dome trap, and you may order it by contacting us through our website. Thank you.